In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the blur tool in Snagit. Start by opening the Snagit capture window. Choose all-in-one, which is the easiest way to grab exactly what you need. Click capture, then select the part of your screen you want to capture, or choose a window and release to take the shot. After capturing, your image opens right in the Snagit editor. If you happen to be looking at video options, switch over to image so you're working with the right tools for still screenshots. To blur, look to the top or left of the editor where the tools are listed. Find the blur tool. If you don't immediately see it, click More to expand the tool list and select Blur there. Once the blur tool is active, click and drag over the area you want to hide, things like account numbers or other details you don't want visible. You'll see a blur effect applied to the region you selected. Now let's fine-tune it. In the Properties panel, you'll find intensity controls. You can choose preset intensities like 25, 50, 75, or 100. Lower values keep the content somewhat recognizable, while higher values completely obscure it. If you prefer a blocky effect, switch the type to pixelate and adjust from 25 to 100. Pixelation is great for strong redaction with a more squared look, and the higher the value, the more it hides. You can also change the type between traditional blurring and pixelating, depending on which looks better for your screenshot. If you want to fully cover something with a solid patch, choose the color option within the blur tool. Pick a color that blends with your background or stands out, and paint over the area. This creates a clean, opaque cover rather than a blur. A few quick tips while you work. Zoom in to 100% to make sure details are truly obscured. Keep your blur intensity consistent across multiple areas for a clean, professional look. And if you make a mistake, use undo and try a smaller or larger blur region for precision. When you're happy with the result, save your image so your changes are preserved and ready to share. And that's it. That's how to use the blur tool in Snagit. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss the next tutorial.